Hey everyone! If you've ever scribbled a messy doodle or sketch on paper and thought, what if this looked like a hyper detailed piece of art? Well, you're going to love this, so today I'll show you how to transform your raw sketches into realistic digital artworks using ChatGPT, mainly the recently updated image generation option slash tool. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips that you can use right away. So let's turn your doodles into something stunning. Okay, first step, easy. Just upload your doodle to ChatGPT right over here. So, piece of cake. First off, you can just click this one right here, upload files and more. Boom. Then upload from computer. If you have like the photo file of your doodle that is like scanned or whatever. So yeah, upload from computer. If it's from Google Drive, you can just connect to Google Drive. If it's from Microsoft OneDrive, from personal or work from school, just click either of those. For me, let's use from the computer. All right. Let's say this is the image we're going to be using for. It's kind of rough, but it still looks good. But we're going to make it even more stunning. Alrighty. So our sketch or rough doodle is like a mysterious forest creature right here. We can just amp it up with further details. So let's paste it here. There we go. It's a tall, emaciated or emaciated forest being with bioluminescent. We could like do white eyes, bark textured skin, or deer like antlers covered in moss and spiderwebs. Oh yeah. Okay, just like think Guillermo del Toro's Pan's Labyrinth meets The Witcher. Okay, easy as that. Just send it right over to ChatGPT, and there we go. And also, don't forget this option right here. Almost forgot. My apologies, everybody. Now we officially send this. Boom. Okay. As you can see, original photo, sketch or doodle. As you can see right here, it's getting started. Boom. All right. It's currently loading up right now. Just be patient around here. Okay. Okay. It'll take a bit while, not too long. Just be patient. Just as before that I told you in my previous videos, be patient. Right. All right. As you'll see, part of the photo is currently generating. As you can see, there are added details like antlers right there. Okay, white glowing eyes. All right, very eerie. Okay, it has more colors and textures and all. Okay, the body now has like a fur, like details. They're hairy. Okay, it gives off that much more scarier vibe. And yeah, look at that. It came off pretty great. It actually has all of the details that is measured, not measured, that is matched from the prompt down here, before and after. See? Okay, so simple as that from the previous segment. Just send your rough sketch or doodle like this one, and this came out as a result. There we go. But with this optional step, it's decided, or it depends if you want to switch things up. Well, then, this segment's for you. So I have here this rendered image from the doodle up to the refurbished version, looking more creepy right here. And let's say you want to switch up with different color palettes and add in like a few more details and such, no worries. You can just ask ChatGPT with this prompt of your choice. Yep. Oh, my apologies. Okay. So let's say I would ask ChatGPT to switch things up, and let's say, and right here, different details like diffuse backlighting, fall color palette, deep browns, smoky grays, faded gold. Okay, intricate textures on bark-like skin with the creature here. Reflective dew on moss, slight lens blur, camera angle low and upward facing to make the creature appear imposing. Oh, I can just imagine that. Or you could just put in like this, inspired by artists like Wojciech Fuss and H.R. Giger, or you could just not include this. Just feel free. Yep, let's say we could have this one. Right? Why don't we send this off? But first, you can just click this. There we go. And add in the image right here. Yep, the same image from this one. Just load this up. Boom. And then send this off right now. Whoop. Okay. Just wait on a bit. It's getting started. There we go. As usual. Let's see if the image rendering process will officially start. Okay. Nice, nice. It's getting started. All right. So while we're currently waiting, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. All right, so here it is. It's loading up. As you can see, it's much different. It added like new details. All right, yep, it's gonna be adjusted differently from the previous rendered photo. Okay, there we go with the moss and the texture. Now it's a little blurry, just like from the prompt with the details that just put in. Okay, all right, yep, the camera angle now. The angle is a little low. Yep, a little intimidating. And there we go. See right here. Look at that. Creepy beauty right here. As you can see, I feel like it's way more improved and even better quality wise. See? Make this guy very intimidating. See? Look at that. And I'm actually quite impressed. It's gotten even better and better and better. Feel free to put in more details. It's all up to you. And just for you to reach with, the quality of the rendered image from your not Google, Doodle. Sorry about that. And yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. Whether you're sketching on a napkin or just playing around with shapes, your doodles can become something beautiful. Also, rough sketches and cinematic with the right tools and a bit of imagination. See you in the next video. Bye.